Hi, Assalamualaikum sir. My name is Halim bin Abdullah. My matrix number is 261177. So today I would like to present to you about my field testing report. Before that, I would like to apologize because of the late submission because I got problem with my Google Drive. I got problem to access it before, but alhamdulillah, I can get what I want and I can get what it needs for my field testing report. Okay, so let's go for the field testing report. So first of all, I will show you about the overview of the system. As we know, I'm doing e-voting system using blockchain technology to manage and secure all the vote associated with the election process. This project is aimed to developing a blockchain application for the user to help users secure their vote without being known by the third party or the administrator. And as we know, blockchain technology is decentralized and it cannot be modified and it is immutable. So the data or the vote that have been entered will not cannot be deleted, cannot be modified, and it will be secure, more secure than we are using a normal system. Okay, for the evaluation method, I'm using for the type of the evaluation. Uh, the first thing is system usefulness testing. Second thing is user satisfaction, then usability testing, and the last thing is the security testing. Alright, let's go for the objective of the evaluation. Alright, for the first objective, I would like to demonstrate impact to system. And the second one is seek support to continuing the program. And the third one is get information on the approach that can be shared with other or system improvements. And the fourth thing is help determine if an approach would be appropriate to replicate in other location with similar needs. Okay, so the participant, who is my participants or my respondents? Alright, so first of all, I have about 64 respondents. 31 respondents are from the MPP UUM. 29 are from campus election organizer, while the balance 4 respondents are from the normal student in the campus community. Okay, so why I would like to focus on MPP UAM and campus election organizer? This is because they have experience in election process before, so I would like to know their opinion about my system because they have that kind of experience that we need in this evaluation. Okay, for the demographic, I chose the member of MPPUM, campus election organizer, and some normal student from the campus community. Gender both male and female, and the age are from 18 to 25 years old because it focused on degree student. Okay, most of them are degree student. All of them are degree student. Okay, so this is our meeting with the MPP, and from the meeting I display to them about my system. I present to them about my system and I let them to try the system by themselves. After that, they will fill in my questionnaire that I have given to them. Okay, so the materials need for this evaluation: laptop or PC is recommended. The second thing is a good internet connection, and the third thing is e-manual because for the one that I've not present face to face, I must tell them, I must give them a manual on how to use the system if they doesn't know. Okay, so the fourth thing is post-task questionnaire. Okay, let's go for the results and finding. Okay, so for the usefulness of e-voting system using blockchain technology, most of them are strongly agree, which is 56.25% agree with it about this kind of question. I've asked them about 8 questions for the usefulness of e-voting system using blockchain technology. 56.25% strongly agree, 31.45% agree, 11.1% are neutral, 1% disagree, and 0.2% strongly disagree. Okay, and then the second one is the ease of use of e-voting system using blockchain technology. I've asked them around 8 questions too, and 58.4% of them strongly agree with it. It makes and easy to use from the e-voting system. 30.86% agree with it, 9.57% neutral, 1.17% disagree, and 0 strongly disagree. Okay, so as we know, most are agree with, more than half of them strongly agree with it. So this can be concluded that this system is easy to use. Okay, so let's go for the third part, is the satisfaction of e-voting system using blockchain technology. I have asked about 5 questions here, and 62.19% strongly agree, 29.38% agree, 6.88% neutral, 1.25% disagree, and 0.3% strongly disagree. So as we can see here, more than half, which is 62.19%, agree. Almost two-thirds of them strongly agree with the satisfaction of e-voting system using blockchain technology. Okay, let's go for the security of e-voting system using blockchain technology. I have asked them 4 questions about it, and 60.94% of them strongly agree about the security. 28.52% agree with it, 8.56% are neutral, 1.56% disagree, and 0.39% are strongly disagree. So based on the conclusion, based on the result and findings that we get, most of them are strongly agree with the system, especially for the security, for the satisfaction, ease of use, and usefulness of the system. And we get more than half of them are strongly agree with it. Okay, and majority of them are agree and strongly agree. Okay, so implication of the result: overall MPPUM are satisfied with the functionality of the system. When we are doing our meeting, there is several of the MPP members asking what we call it, propose some improvement that I can make towards the system, especially towards the interface design. So they asked me to use light color rather than dark color, because the dark color make it looks dull and make it looks boring. So that they preferred for me to use a light color rather than dark color. So the result of the evaluation suggested that e-voting system using blockchain technology is usable to assist user to make a secure vote and use the system successfully. And in conclusion, sir, this system can be implemented in university campus election with further updates and improvement. Furthermore, updates will take place in this website as maintenance purpose for improve our system. So that's all from me. Thank you, sir.